Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have a very much requested, brand new to the channel home decor subscription box. Can y'all see the tape on the top? Habitation Box. It is home decor. A couple of you have messaged me specifically requesting this box. So I reached out to Habitation Box and said, can I have a box? And they said, yes, you can. So they sent one over. Before we go any further, you guys need to know this is the April Habitation Box. So if you are a current subscriber, this is a spoiler you might not want to watch. Here's your warning. If you're thinking about subscribing to Habitation Box and you watch this is the April box. So I'll be showing you what your first box will look like if you subscribe in the month of April. Right here it says, thank you so much for your purchase. Point your camera at this code. Click the link to view the styling card. So, and it says here, in an effort to be more eco-conscious, we're utilizing QR codes. So you scan that to see what would normally be the box card inside. I love that because I can keep it permanent with me online because I lose paperwork. That's just the way it is. And I love anything that is eco-conscious. Look. I'm like freaking out. So really quickly, I want to go straight into this. We're going to talk about the professional interior designer that curates this box every month. This is a monthly home decor box. We're going to talk about her complimentary home decor and design services that come with your subscription. We're going to talk about the box options and their pricing. We're going to talk about all of that stuff after we play. We're playing first. So I have no idea what is in here. We're just pulling it out and going. So, oh my gosh, how do I start? Okay. It says fragile all over the box, so I'm a little bit nervous. Gosh. Can y'all see this back here? Okay, hey. Excellent. We have a tray, a very beautiful natural wood tray. We have some greenery. Looks like this is just filler. Okay, look. Inside, okay. I'm like freaking out. I don't know where to start. Are they like little robin's eggs? How cute. Can y'all see these guys? I'm just gonna put them on the tray so we don't lose them. They're so cute. They're, I have no idea what they're made out of, but they look like little robin's eggs or bird's eggs in general. A cute little pillow that says, it's so good to be home. The quality on this pillow is excellent. Very, very good quality. I'm also gonna decorate with all of this stuff. After we unbox it, we're gonna go decorate. So if you wanna see it in action with decorating, stay tuned. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Great, not the cheapy cork, it's a good cork quality. It says hand wash only. I mean, it just looks like a container that can be used for anything. Can y'all see? It's actually like not just painted on, it's textured and those are grooves. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, how many things are in here? It's a set. There's 2 of them. I am wild about these colors. Absolutely wildly in love with these colors. And so all of this came packed inside 2 large baskets. Like, look at it compared to the jars. These are big items. Look at this tray. This is so simple, yet so unique. It's got the leather handles on the side. It is literally just a piece of wood. I love this so much. And if you're someone who likes to hack items, this would be so easy to stain to match any wood color in your home, should you want to do that. I'm thinking about it. And then we got a little bit of greenery. I am always about greenery. I've got several different wreaths I'm playing with, and in a minute when we go decorate, you'll see that I have this like in boxwoods all over my mantle right now. So yay for some more greenery to work with. Okay, so we've gotten a peek. Let me scan the QR code and see what it tells me. Since this is a spoiler box and she curated everything and shipped it to me early, the QR code is not ready. So I'm going to show you the QR code from March so you can get a concept for what this is that she sent. So as you can see here are the March styling tips. And it talks about the Habitation 1, which is the smaller box, and the Habitation 2, which is the larger box that you can choose from, and her tips on how to style it, along with photos of how she styled it. So you can go through here and she just lays out what she's doing with the products, how they can be used, what color schemes to plug them in with. It's pretty straightforward and easy. Okay, so let's talk about your options. She has a couple. She has the Habitation Box Small and the Habitation Box Elite Large. The large Elite box is what you're seeing here. The complimentary professional interior design services comes with any subscription. And you guys, I took her up on it. I got her on the phone and I chatted with her, and she is wonderful. You can tell when you talk with people who have a sweet spirit, and she has a sweet spirit. I wish I could say the same about myself. She was wonderful. Answered all of my questions, offered suggestions, and then even told me that if we get the box, or even maybe I just want to talk about tearing out a wall, she can send products that she curates and shops for to you as well. So you could subscribe to the box, get the interior design service consult for free, and then she can ship you products for you to try. I was super, super impressed with everything that I have encountered. Now, this is my first encounter, but it's been completely spot on. As you can see here, the Habitation Box has 4 to 6 high quality items inside. The Habitation Box Elite has 7 to 9 high quality items inside. And then on the pricing plans, since she is a monthly subscription, you can pay monthly, month to month, and it's $79.99 per box with free shipping, free interior design service. You can do a 3-month plan where you save 12%, a 6-month plan where you save 14%, and a 12-month plan where you save 16.25%. So the further you subscribe out, the more you save. You can skip months. So let's say you're just falling behind on decorating, or you're out of town for an extended amount of time, you can go and skip. And she was so kind. She's like, you can hop the line or skip, or you can just reach out to me and I'll skip for you. She's very hands-on with her business and service. If we go down to the Elite box, you can see that monthly, which is what we have here, is $130. But if you subscribe 3 months at a time, you save 7%. Subscribe 6 months, you save 13%. Subscribe 12 months, you save 20%. So you really do rack up the savings by creating a longer commitment. Once again, you're getting those free interior design consults with her. So I happen to think that's a pretty killer add-on service to this. If you want to sign up, so like you're piecing out, you don't want to see the decor stuff, you need to sign up with my code PINK10 is going to get you 10% off your box order. So PINK10, sign up, give them a try. Let's go decorate. Okay guys, that's Habitation Box. I am loving my first box. Can't wait to get my hands on a few more to see what other boxes look like. But I have to say, I think this little set is my absolute favorite from the entire box. Once again, if you want to check out Habitation Box, use my coupon code below. If I can answer any questions, please send them over. And if you find more great subscription boxes like y'all found Habitation Box, comment below, send me an email, let me know, because I'll try to get my hands on them so we can play with them. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.